Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check download history in Play Store. It is a simple method to check any Google Play Store download history. First go to Play Store and go to right side and click on Google account logo and click on manage apps and device and click manage. So these are installed app and click on install it and select not install it. These are not installed app and select not install it and select install it. So these are installed app. You can see how I check download app history easily. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.